How to clear search history on Safari on iOS 26. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on the apps option you see there. Scroll down again and you will see the option for Safari. Tap on that. Further, go ahead and scroll down and you will see the option for Clear History and Website Data. Tap on that and then select the All History option you see there. And if you want to close all tabs, then toggle on the toggle button for Close All Tabs. Finally, tap on the Clear History option you see there, and with this, your history on Safari will be cleared. So this is how you can clear Safari history. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.